Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through an easy guide on how to view your travel history in booking.com. So you're just gonna dive into it, and it's gonna be simple and straightforward. So let's click dive into it. So next thing to do is to visit the booking.com on your browser or open the booking app on your phone, then sign into your account. So click the sign in at the top right and log in using the same email and password you use for your booking. Then after that, once logged in, click your profile icon or the name, then select booking or my trip. Then inside my trip section, switch to the past booking or completed trips, then tap to see all your previous stays. Now click any booking to view details such as the hotel name, the stay date, the price, and the confirmation number. So if you are not signed in, open your confirmation email and click view your booking. So it will take you directly to your travel history, and from there you can download or just pick out the most important information from it, and that's how you can view your travel history in booking.com. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.